watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Fall is about to arrive. It brings with it a cozy atmosphere filled with warm colors, rustic textures, and the crisp scent of falling leaves. One of the best ways to capture the essence of this beautiful season in your home is through garlands. Garlands are a timeless and versatile decoration, perfect for adding a festive touch to any space, indoors or out. In this video, we'll explore 41 creative garland ideas that will help you embrace the autumn season in style. Patterned leaf garland. A garland featuring leaves in various patterns, including gingham, floral, and glitter, strung on twine for a rustic look. It's a perfect addition to your autumn decor, bringing the beauty of the season indoors. Rustic burlap and orange fabric garland. Combine rustic burlap with bright orange fabric to create a classic fall garland. Hang it on your mantle or front door for a warm and welcoming feel. Felt leaf garland. Felt leaves in rich autumn colors make a cozy garland that's perfect for hanging along a shelf or window, adding a touch of seasonal charm to any room. Disney-inspired garland. This playful garland combines black and white checkered patterns with orange accents, featuring Mickey Mouse head shapes and felt. It's a fun and festive way to bring a bit of Disney magic into your fall decor. Fabric pumpkin garland. Decorative pumpkins made from floral and striped fabrics are strung together with twine and small boughs. This farmhouse-style garland adds a charming, homey feel to your autumn setup. Ribbon garland in fall colors. A mix of cream, orange, black, and white ribbons creates a versatile garland ideal for adding color and texture to any fall celebration. Felt pumpkin garland. Felt pumpkins make up this charming garland, perfect for adding a festive and cozy touch to your fall or Halloween decor. Burlap apple banner. A rustic banner made of burlap with printed apples adds country charm to your fall decor, making it a great choice for kitchens or entryways. Soft felt leaf garland. This garland, made of soft felt leaves, captures the essence of fall with a cozy, handcrafted feel, perfect for warming up any space. Halloween fabric tie garland. Fabric ties in Halloween colors make a simple yet festive garland, perfect for adding a spooky touch to your Halloween decorations. Felt apple garland. Felt apples strung together create a playful garland that adds a touch of whimsy and fall flavor to your space. Fall burlap banner. A burlap banner stamped with the word fall makes for a simple, rustic decoration, ideal for welcoming guests at your front door. Recycled paper acorn garland. Recycled paper acorns form a sustainable and charming garland, adding an eco-friendly touch to your fall decor. Cardboard feather garland. Lightweight cardboard feathers create a rustic garland that adds a unique, handcrafted element to your autumn decorations. Bright orange fabric banner. Vibrant orange fabric forms a simple banner that stands out, adding seasonal energy to your home. Cardboard pumpkin garland. Cardboard pumpkins with letters create a playful garland, perfect for adding a personalized touch to your fall or Halloween decor. 3D cardboard apple garland. 3D cardboard apples create a fun and eye-catching garland, adding depth and dimension to your fall decorations. Folded paper leaf garland. Folded paper leaves in 3D bring a dynamic look to your garland, making for a unique and creative autumn display. Voluminous paper pumpkin garland. Voluminous paper pumpkins create a lively garland, perfect for adding a festive and playful touch to any fall space. Vibrant paper leaf garland. Paper leaves in vibrant fall colors create a simple and colorful garland, capturing the essence of the season. These 41 garland ideas are perfect for welcoming fall into your home, each adding its own special touch to the season's charm. These decorations will help you celebrate the beauty and warmth of autumn. Don't forget to share your favorite garland ideas with us in the comments below.